Good afternoon. My name is Alena Shautsova. I am an immigration attorney from Brooklyn, New York. In today's Legally Speaking seminar, I would like to speak to you about how you can fix your immigration status if you entered the country illegally. Well, first of all, I should mention that it's very hard to adjust your status without leaving the country if you in fact entered the country illegally. In most of the cases, you will need a waiver. And if you qualify, you may apply for I601 waiver. And I have some videos on my website as well as on YouTube. And I have some articles explaining the procedure and qualifications for I601 provisional waiver. If the waiver is not for you, meaning that you do not have a relative who you would be able to demonstrate that would suffer extreme hardship, or the relative who could petition for you. What do you do in such a situation? I would like to speak right now about 3 possible reliefs. Number 1 is a vow self-petition. If you are an abused spouse or child or parent of certain US citizens or permanent residents, you may self-petition yourself. And if you self-petition yourself, the fact of your illegal entry would not matter during your application for adjustment of status or application for a green card. So that's one possible solution. Possible solution number 2, a U visa or status. A U visa or status is given to victims of crimes. There is a special list of crimes that USCIS provides, and if a victim suffers substantial harm and was helpful in investigating and prosecuting the offender, and the United States government, meaning the judge, the law enforcement, the prosecutor, or the prosecutor, signed a special certification for a U visa, the person may receive a U status in the United States and later apply for a green card, even if the person entered the country illegally. So that's a relief number 2. Relief number 3 would be a T visa or trafficking visa. For that visa, you do not have to receive a certification by a law enforcement, but it's still possible, to receive this T status and later a green card if you can show that you were a victim of human trafficking. And it may range from sexual trafficking to labor debt. For example, a company in your home country promised you a great opportunity, charged you a lot of money. You were not able even to pay off all that money, and they sent you to the United States with false documents. You found that the documents were false once you were in the United States, and now they demand that you pay them crazy tens of thousands of dollars that you do not have, and you have to basically work for that company. That third opportunity for somebody to fix their status if they entered illegally. And here usually what happens is that the person would be smuggled through the border, or the person would be forced to enter the United States with false documents. So as you can see, sometimes there are solutions for the illegal entries, but it's very fact specific, and that's why you need to see an attorney who knows about these types of reliefs and who can try to see if you would qualify for them before you start filing something. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have more questions, please reach out to us at www.shautsova.com or by calling 917-885-2261. Thank you.